Hello everybody, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Look what we got here today. I know this is out for a while, but we finally got one. With all this craziness going on, it's impossible to get stuff, but we finally got one. This is the Team Losi, the 22S roller, the drag racing roller. And I wanted to show what there is inside. A lot of you guys that getting into high-speed cars right now and you know, speed run and drag racing, trying to kind of do this in a different way, and this is actually give you the chassis ready to install your electronics. So you can get electronics, a 3S or 4S brushless motor for another vehicle and just shove it in here. But let me show you what they give you in the box. So of course the box is really nice. When you open it, it's pretty much empty. What you get inside here is a booklet. With the book have a couple protective shield rails that later on we're going to open and look at, and some stickers, but those are not really important right now. What important is this. This is the drag racing car. This is what you get, and as funny as it may seem, there is no body on it. You get in a frame, no motor, no electronics. And I know a lot of people tell me, yeah, but it's showing the picture electronics, and no, it's not. It say here that those are optional. So whatever you see on the side of the box, if you actually read it say optional parts, it means that it's not in, you have to buy it separately. That being said, this is probably a message for newbies to the hobby. Now, when you look here, you can see the car, it's set up pretty good in the box, so on the shipment it's not gonna get messed up. Let's cut it out and see what there is inside. I need an X-Acto blade for this. There it is. Sorry for the delay. Okay, let's cut it gently. They really have to find a different way to actually anchor those cars in, because I really don't like cutting those things, like this is causing a lot of mishaps. And then this is our drag racing car. Let's move this away so it's gonna be actually more clear here. Okay, so when you look at it in first glance, you will probably understand that this is a drag racing car that's based on a buggy. Some of the previous days buggy from Tamiya was sharing kind of the same chassis. This chassis is aluminum chassis. It's come actually with those shocks over here. They return really fast. There's almost no rebound in it at all. I don't know if they set it up like this. I would like to see some rebound. This is really jumpy. And then when you look at the wheels, those wheels are actually pretty cool, but it's just plastic. It's anodized plastic. There's not really aluminum, so just take it in consideration. It just look pretty. When you look on the rear wheel, those big tires, you can see that those are a little bit tougher, I think, than what come on the DR10 car. And of course you have the huge bay over here to put your motor, and you have here your wheelie bar. Now your wheelie bar here is adjustable. There's a adjustment here for the height of it, and also there's adjustment on the length over here. You can actually remove the span over there. Let's bring it closer and set it up higher or lower depending on how much wheelie you want it to be able to take. Just advice for people that are doing it first time, usually we put some weight over here, lead weight on the front, and it's preventing from the car want to lift up. It's just going to launch more forward versus lifting up. Now the body mount on this, those body mounts are actually pretty cool, and you can actually set it up to whatever type body do you want. And on the back of it, you can see that they are way backward, so you can get a longer body for actually drag racing. Overall, the inside over here, they make it kind of for a battery. I think that the 3S will fit here. A 4S will be a little bit crowded because they actually made a ceiling over here that will limit, I think, for some 4S batteries. And then over here, it's kind of like to put two rubber bands, I believe, because I did not really see like a piece of plastic that's gonna go, but it's maybe in the bag over there. Steering. Your steering system, it's right there. Okay, you have here It's already set up. It's a very simple system for the steering. Just hook it up to your servo and you're done. So this vehicle, it's a kind of very basic, super easy, like to get in and put whatever you want. You just plug your steering servo here with 4 screws, 2 screws for the motor, install your ESC wherever you want it. If you want to make it smart, try to bring the ESC as far forward as possible so you have more weight on the front. A lot of people putting it on the back, and it's a little bit of a mistake. Put it far forward so you're going to have more weight over there, and the car will actually do the work. You don't need to have a lot of power over here in order to push the car down. The weight over here will do nothing for you because you already have the battery putting weight over there. That's it. This is kind of a very quick basic video about this car. I don't want to get into too much details. I just want to show you guys how this thing look like. Now I want to say something that it's very important. This is much better option than any of you guys wasting money and buying Traxxas to do the same car. I don't see any point for you guys to go and buy any of those cars. They're a waste of money, and to make something like this out of it. You can actually buy the kit, buy the motor and whatever you need, and you save some money versus buying an entire car that you're gonna have to change the motor, the ESC, the battery, everything on it to get to the same platform, and you not even get close to that because you still need to change the tires and you still have to change a couple other things in it. So that being said, it's your guys' option, whatever you want to do, but if you want to get into drag racing, this is a very good entry-level vehicle. I think that those things is about like $250 or something like this. It's maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less, depending when you watch the video and what change. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next video.